How to use linear pattern? We'll learn it SolidWorks in this case. At first, open the SolidWorks software. They are loading, waiting for loading. Then we go to File, New, Part. Okay. Now then go to front plane and sketch. Draw the rectangular, corner rectangular as well as then give the dimension, this line dimension 100. Now this line dimension 60. Now we need 4 holes on plate. Now there are draw whole circle. Now draw the circle, this point, select. Now give the dimension 10. Give the dimension 15. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension 15. Okay, now this point and this point. Now this point and this point dimension 15. Okay, we can use 10, no problem. 10. Okay. Project. I can use 10. Okay. 10. Okay. Now go to surface sketch and go to linear. Click linear. Now click this line. We need two circles, so give the dimension. Where are select. Now there are 18 millimeter after. Now need push size 2, so go to direction 2. Direction 2 need 2, so there are up and need down, so click here. Okay, there are need after 40. Okay, now draw the rectangular and hole. Give the dimension, this line and this line dimension 40. Okay, and this point and this point dimension 80. So they are not fully defined. Now we can this point control this point vertical. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now they are fully defined. Thank you all. Everybody share and like. If you have any question.